Hello everyone, so for the next 2 nights I'm staying at the ibis İstanbul Zeytinburnu. I've been given room 609 on the 6th floor. So here's the key card, let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left as you enter the room is the main light switch for the room itself. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Let's start with the bathroom, which is behind this door. Mirror. Hello. The sink. Toilet. And shower area. That is the bed with bedside tables. This side has a plug with a light, and that side has a light with a light switch. Light switches for the bathroom, climate control panel, huge mirror with a light above. Right here, flat screen Philips TV, shelf below, more shelves right here with the in-room safe, pantry area, place to hang your clothes and whatnot. Fridge down there, desk area with a light. The kettle is right there. Bench, place to put your luggage, whatever you want to call it, right there. You can sit on it as well. Obviously the chair for the desk. And the best part about this room is the view. It's actually a very nice view. You can see the main highway in front of the hotel right there, and that the name of that sea/straits escapes my brain, but I shall link it, or rather I shall put a description below. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 609 at the ibis İstanbul Zeytinburnu. Thanks for watching and goodbye.